Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all are taking a good care of yourself. So, children, let us start today's mathematics class of grade 10. This is class 10th, subject mathematics. Children, today I am going to conduct your revision test of chapters 1 to 4, which we have just revised. That is chapter number 1, real numbers, chapter number 2, polynomials, chapter number 3, a pair of linear equations in two variables, and of course chapter number 4, quadratic equations. Children, before you start attempting your question paper, there are few instructions which I want to give you. Number 1, maximum marks for the test is 25. All the questions are compulsory to attempt. Duration for the test is 1 hour. And complete question paper is divided into 4 sections, that is section A, section B, section C, and of course section D. Section A consists of 1 marker in which I will be asking MCQs, section B 2 markers, section C 3 markers, and section D long answer type questions 4 markers. Okay, children? So here is the question paper in front of you. First of all, section A, 1 mark each. There are total 5 MCQs in section A. Children, you are not supposed to write down only option number. Along with option, you will have to write down answer also. And MCQs you are supposed to solve on the right hand corner of your sheet. And you have to just send me the appropriate option number. Like suppose if the answer is A, with the option is A is the right option along with this answer. Fine. Then you have to write A, and of course you have to write answer also. Got it, children? These are the options of question number 3. This is question number 4. And then 5. Now children, I am going to show you section B, 2 marker question. Now this is section C, 3 markers each. Please read the statement carefully. Do not copy incorrect statement. And you have to attempt your test very neatly and carefully. This is section D, 4 markers each. Children, if you have graph with you, then you can plot the graph of this pair of linear equation on graph paper. If you don't have, then you can draw on sheet also while taking the proper margin. There are total 11 questions in this question paper. Please attempt them neatly in beautiful handwriting. And as the duration of the paper is 1 hour, so as soon as you finish it, you are supposed to mail it to me immediately. Late submission of the paper will not be acceptable. And children, be honest while attempting your paper, because it is far more honorable to fail than to cheat. So children, this is your maths homework that you have to do these 11 questions neatly on sheet, and as soon as you finish it within 1 hour, you have to mail it to me. Okay children? So that's it. Best of luck for your test.